Patience. 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 Patience.
It's fine.
Patience.
Lord of Jesus.
Patience. Patience. Holy Ghost fire. Blood of Jesus. Holy Ghost fire. Blood of Jesus. 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 Patience. 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 Holy Ghost fire. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Holy Ghost fire. Blood of Jesus. My wife. My wife. My wife, my wife, my wife, my trouble wife. I like her. My trouble wife. Patience. 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 Our wedding. Patience, come back. Our wedding is closed. Our wedding is closed. Patience. 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 Baby. Patience. 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 Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. Patience. 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 I said, who is here? What I never? Nobody is here. Huh? See, people will just share their market and nobody is here. Oh, you are here. So you are here. A whole meal with a title. I came to your shop to buy something. Give what you want. I was even thinking it's a bag of cement. I'm not one of here. So you are here. Anyway, for your informant, my name is Honorable Distinguished Architect Erobrubru Ebo Gaba Okote. I am from Umumwa in Umumwa the community. I want to buy some cement. I've made money. I am a big boy. I want to buy some cement because I want to build skyscraper. I want to build mansions. I cannot build just one mansion because I'm a big boy. Gile manya iga mana wo big boy. Dede shini shile manya koala man. Koala mo. Wana nozim no feo. Koala mo. Wana no because kaisi kwado mbo abrozi kaisi kwado kita ana kpo Ghana Express onye gba ọtọ na-etinye aka n'akpa damn the devil egwu adịrị atọ afọ wee buru ụzọ ọmụnwa ka a na-etu obu nte ebu oge agba 1 ọfala ụmụ mmụọ a na-eri ji na Germany mbanụnụ onye si na ife mbịara ebe azụ enwere isi mgburu isi were isi tige ya nwe isi damn the devil. I need bags of cement. I want to start building bridges because if you come to Imo State, we have so many unfinished bridges. I want to bridge Akwakoma. I want to bridge Alekwe. I want to bridge Umoku. I go fire Amandoba. I go water Umoku. Then I go water Isunjaba. Fire Amandoba. Level Umoku. Water Isunjaba. Level. How much is bag of cement? If you don't talk now, I will buy you and buy your cement. I'll mix you, use you as a pillar. Mba. If I use it as a pillar, you are going to fall. If I use you as a pillar, you are going to fall. If I use you as a pillar, you are going to... Woo! Hello.
Hi.
Are you people here?
Yes.
Are you sure you are here?
Yes, you are here. Eh? What do you want?
Well, my name is Honorable Engineer Chekube Afodo. I am about to wed.
Wed.
Yes. Do you people do decoration
Yes.
for burial, for wedding,
Everything.
for child education,
Yes.
for closing of house ceremony,
Everything.
for opening of house ceremony?
Yes.
What of Asian money? Are you the one that did his decoration during his wedding in the year February 8, 2020? Did you do it or not?
Ah, stop that.
No, stop that. I want to do my wedding.
Wedding. When are you doing it?
My wedding is in a jiffah. My wedding is in a jiffah. My wedding is in a nutshell. My wedding is in a tiger nut. My wedding is in a curry leaf. My wedding is in oha. My wedding is in okashi. My wedding is in my wedding is
Hey.
my wedding is oh, it's a go.
Look at this madman.
You are going to do my decoration.
Decoration.
If you make any mistake, consider yourself dead.
Okay, how much? How much are you going to
I will
pay?
sign a check for you. I'm going to give you a check. I'm going to give you a check. The check will come in Naira bet. The check will come in Naira Kobo. The check will come in Naira Kobo. The check will come in Naira Kobo. Ha! Yeah! You are like this.
Hey.
Abu Manofia. Yes! Abu Manofia. Abu Nine Manya. You will know that I did a matchqua. One nadira matchqua. One nadira matchqua. Give me my wedding plans. I'm going to disorganize your placenta fallopian tube. Disorganize yeah. Then I disfigure it. After disfiguration, then I will conjure it. After conjure it, then I will pour it. After conjure it, I will pregnant you. After pregnanting you, I will give you whatever. It's a go.
Nande, can you let me open water? I've been looking for you all over the place.
I went to Thor.
Thor? How can you Thor without your husband? Is it possible?
Sorry now.
Mm-mm.
Sorry now.
Mm-mm. Where did you?
Sorry now.
Your hand is sweet me, oh. Where did you go?
I thought to London.
What? You? I am happy. I am happy. My wife go to London. Who did you see in London?
Trump.
What? You see Trump?
Yeah, man.
Trump was my classmate during my
Junior Wayek.
yes. And we graduated from Judiciary High Court at the same time.
And they crowned the legislator. I remember vividly.
Yeah!
Demi! Demons!
What did he give to you?
Language.
You learn it?
Their song.
Sing for me.
It's Swahili.
Swahili?
Swahili.
Swahili.
Say Swahili.
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 Swahili. I want to hear the song now.
Oh, this song is. You hold your voice more.
Okay.
You say, Yakajim bringing taya, Nakatanga molufa, Taminami ye, Taminami ye, Naya printen, Naya danshikina, printen,
My baby, my baby, my baby. You don't go out again. This house belongs to two of us.
If you leave this house again, it's either caterpillar jam you or gongoro will jam you. And if gongoro will jam you, I myself, I will flog you. If I flog you, I will use my cutlass, cut off your legs. If I cut off your legs, I will roast it on the fire. After roasting it on the fire, I will roast it in the fire. After roasting it in the fire, I will microwave it on top of the fire. Then at the end of it, I will use my cane and I'll flog you. After flogging you, you will start crying. Then I will sing to you. Cry, cry, baby, I want to see your mommy. Cry, cry, baby, I want to see your mommy. Cry, 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 baby, I want to see your mommy. Cry, cry, baby, I want to see your mommy. Cry, cry, baby, I want to see your mommy. Shame.
You don't enter trouble. Madam patient, are you a student? Madam patient, are you a student?
I see you in my dream. You are disturbing me in hellfire. You have come to help me where we are. You want to disturb us again?
What do you mean that? Sarah? Huh?
Wait!
Talk now!
Wait! Oga Titus! Hey!
What do you see? Talk now!
Wait! Oga Titus! The wife! They don't craze!
Jesus!
They're mad. What do you do?
Yes, you're mad!
I don't wear shoe!
What did happen here? What's it? Why you dey shout?
Calm down, talk well. I hear you now.
Go back, City. See Oga Titus. The wife! They do they mad! Hey! Now what is so that let us travel now? They travel before, she.
Yes.
Oh, that is like where they mad. They craze, they mad.
Mala in the come on.
Oh, what did they do you now? And they tell you what they see.
As a
They don't they mad. Hey!
Original match.
Yeah, you know.
Oga Titus.
Oga,
Mad.
go there. Wait.
Come, then come off clothes.
No, they wear pants. They remove pants.
Chai God. But wait, our own Oga Titus and Antipation, they mad now.
But I just said they travel now.
They travel that time.
But wait, Jesus. The original madness.
No, na fake. China.
Amanda, my friend, who could believe that Oga Titus and his wife Antipation are now mad people? How did it even happen? Eh? Ah, God.
Neka, I'm short of words.
Ah, my God.
See, the whole thing beats my imagination. From rag day to madness. Who is even sure if any of their relatives is aware of this?
Ne, what do we do now? Let's inform the landlord. Or better still, let's inform that his brother used to come here. The one we met at the rag day.
You're right. That's exactly what we should do.
Please,
Let me get my phone so I will call the landlord.
Please, let's go. I beg, it's urgent.
Me and my brother they think say go join us with other neighbors. As compound people will be I be won't make you follow us with other people. Maybe we go find Auntie Peshe and brother Thai people. Maybe we tell them. Maybe we go find that brother where they find them come. Maybe we tell them wetin dey happen. As neighbor where we be.
Wetin concern me? How you take concern me?
How I know concern you? No be the neighbor. No be neighbor all of us be. Why they talk like this now?
E no be by business. E be like say for this house, una no get handwork. Wetin person use him mouth talk, na him go take.
Oga yo. Eh? No matter wetin dem do you, you say get conscience now. Na still Antipation and Oga Titus, our own Oga Titus so. May you try join us now.
No, na own Oga Tai and Antipation. No be my own. No be the same mama and papa born me and them. No, na own. So make una go police, go report. Tell them say person dey meet. Una know say every time dem dey talk, they know they keep their mouth one place. Don't talk enough. Put themselves into wahala. Don't happen that. Make knock on my door. Okay.
Which one do this one?
Make a knock here.
We dey talk, you know talk and that thing. Common human conscience, kindness of heart, you no get.
I thought you say that man, as he shot so na devil, real life devil. Hey.
Make an attack on God.
Hello, sir. Yeah, my name is Chiamaka. We are Oga Titus and Antipashe's neighbors. Yes, well, I'm fine, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, we are fine. Sir, there's something I wanted to tell you. Yes, concerning Oga Titus and Antipashe. Sir, I don't know how to tell you, but Antipashe and Oga Titus are mad. Yes, they ran mad. Sir, I don't know how to explain it. They are picking things on the road now. That's madness. Okay. Okay, sir.
What did he say?
He said he's not in town. That will be coming in tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Okay.
How can you be asking me to explain what madness is?
Madness is madness now. Okay, tomorrow, Abi.
Okay.
What's that one?
I'm taking selfie.
Person they mad, they take selfie, they grace.
What's my business? You that made them mad. What's that?
Who opened the zoo for you? Will you shut up? Who opened the zoo for you? I asked them not to open the zoo for you. It's not our own chimpanzee. Who is this one? So the bush. Woo! The bush. The bush. The bush. Rain is falling. Rain is falling. Alejaya Bonyara. Woo! One dollar. Shut up.
Madam Patient, you don't enter trouble. Ofola genanya, ragade abula rokete, ebelebe.
What are you? Hey, you wanna? If you could not have, the jingle was. Who ran on your machine? What go no later? Your picking don't come back. You go market yesterday. Are you back from work? You never go work. What is wrong with you now? Are you okay? The children living in your compound. Are you on the right day? Are they on the right day? Have they given you money?
Are you on the right page? On the right page? Is it there? You're on the right page. Everybody come. You want to collect the rent. Students come gather. Everybody come the dance. Everybody come the collect money. They come the count money. They come the do it. I don't Yes, make a money. My father. He's coming. We would not wrong you. If we wrong you, we only ask you to do this and you are doing that. Only ask you to do that and you are doing this. You're not a good person. If you're a good person, you calm down. I know you are short, but you'll be taller. Very soon you will grow. The young shall grow. The young shall grow. The young shall grow. The young shall grow. Calm down. Michael Filigop, onwere mkpụmkpụ kwapụrụ ya n'anya ufe buru ye bụmaga ya n'ime ọhịa agadi Michael Filigop nwoke aha na-akpọ Michael Filigop onwere mkpụmkpụ kwapụrụ ya n'anya ufe buru ye bụmaga ya n'ime ọhịa agadi Michael Filigop aha na-akpọ Michael Filigop onwere mkpụmkpụ kwapụrụ ya n'anya ufe buru ye bụmaga ya n'ime ọhịa agadi Michael Filigop
Your brother and his wife are too wild. They're always beating up other patients. And as I'm talking to you now, this morning, they have beaten up 2 patients here. So I can't take them anymore. You have to relocate them.
But, madam, please, think of this. If I should take them away from the hospital, where else am I going to take them to? You know their present condition.
Sorry, there's nothing I know I can do again. My hands are tied. You should understand my predicament. I have no option than to let them go. So you have to relocate them, please. So that they don't kill anybody. If they kill any inmate here, I will be answerable to it. Huh?
Okay, please, I think I understand you. But I will come back for them.
Better.
Not really now, but I will come back for them.
Okay. I consider that. And I think I will hold on for a short while.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Please take good care of them. I will soon be back.
Problem. Just be back and collect them.
All right, I will be back.
Whatever. Our leader. My brother and his wife. People are wicked.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
People are wicked. Give us money. Okay. Give us money. No, shut up. Give us money.
Your own is always different.
Father, Please, I'm confused. You know, you mentioned someone. I want you to explain better.
The Lord opened my eyes and I saw that someone in the compound struck them madness.
Jesus Christ. Someone in the compound. Father, please, who could that be?
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!